We thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the morning of July the 2nd, 2026. Another hot and humid day ahead of us here as this big area of high pressure over the mid-Atlantic is forcing the jet stream up into Canada, and that's giving us extreme heat warnings all the way up northward into southern Maine today. Very hot, very humid, just like yesterday. In fact, a little more so. Yesterday, we did tie our previous record of 101 degrees in Charlottesville. That tied the record from 2012, and that will now go down as the record. 2026 will now go down as the record for July 1st, given it's the most recent time that we hit 101 degrees on July 1st. And the next few days, we look to break our record as well. Tomorrow and Friday, I'm sorry, today and tomorrow, we look to hit 100, 203 degrees. The record's 100, and the record for Saturday is also 100, and we look to be very close to that record as well. Now, we have an extreme heat warning today that began at 10 a.m. and will last us until 8 this evening, and that includes Charlottesville, Northern Virginia, Richmond, Norfolk, Virginia Beach, Hampton Roads area, and much of the Piedmont and Tidewater regions as well. Now, the heat advisory is for the Shenandoah Valley and much of southern Virginia as well, and extreme southwest Virginia. The New River Valley and the peaks of the Blue Ridge do not have any advisories or warnings today. So if you're in Charlottesville and you want to break from the heat, just take a drive up to the Blue Ridge Parkway, Skyline Drive. Still in the mid 90s, still very hot up there, but not dangerously hot. Not quite. The heat index is not quite as high either. And our heat index down here today in the Piedmont looks to reach between 110 and 115, most likely topping out at 112. Tomorrow looks to be about the same. The extreme heat warning will be impact us again tomorrow, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., just like today. And then we have an extreme heat watch as we head into Saturday, and that's 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. also. Now, the other thing I want to point out about Saturday as well is the risk for some storms. Now, we've got a 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale, a slight risk. That will um, that is something you want to keep in mind as you make any outdoor 4th of July plans. Two things. Start hydrating now if you haven't already, if you have outdoor 4th of July plans. And two, make sure you have a backup plan in case we do get some storms. Not everybody will see storms, but if we do, they have the potential to be very strong given how hot and humid it is out there and how much instability they have to work with to really fuel these storms. So Sunday, the setup Sunday looks to be similar as well, but I wanted to give you all an update for the 4th of July forecast. Very hot and risky storms is what we got. Now, I do want to do some birthday shout outs. I've been kind of slacking the past few days, but June 30th, happy birthday to Grandma Gathright. Yeah, June 30th. And then July 1st, got Emma Coinson and Austin Jones. And then three birthdays today. Happy birthday to Aunt Jenny. Happy birthday to Stuart Terrell. Happy birthday to Nathaniel Maxwell. Hope y'all are doing well and doing all right in this heat. So, we'll be keeping you posted. Probably another video tomorrow on the extreme heat warning tomorrow and an update on some storms for the weekend as well. Thanks and have a great and safe evening.